Welcome to GK Pearl. Before starting, please subscribe to the GK Pearl channel for more exciting quizzes and general knowledge. Are you ready to guess the spice name? Let's start.
Salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, mustard seed, carom seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seed, saffron thread, black pepper, cloves, green cardamom, cardamom brown, star anise, dried coriander, white cardamom, bay leaf, black cumin, black cardamom, nutmeg, dry ginger, javitri, long pepper, cumin seed, mango powder, stone flour, pomegranate seeds, nigella seed, cinnamon, rosemary, garlic, poppy seed, black sesame seeds, capers, black salt, dry coconut, curry leaves, cubeb pepper, Glycyrrhiza glabra, white sesame seeds, tamarind, Szechuan pepper.
If you like our video, please like and share this video.